Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 10 latest defense updates. Number 1, unlikelihood of ORCA acquisition for Indian Air Force. According to a recent news report in India, the Indian Air Force is said to be interested in acquiring the Omni-Role Combat Aircraft, which is the proposed Air Force variant of the Indian Navy TEDBF, that is twin engine deck based fighter platform. The procurement is expected to take place from 2026 onwards following the completion of ORC's first flight. Next, IAF draws up Jaguar retirement plans. The Indian Air Force has outlined its plan to retire the Jaguar strike aircraft from its fleet starting in 2027-28. The retirement process will begin with one squadron and will be carried out in multiple phases, with the complete phase out expected to be accomplished by 2035. Next, INS Sindhuratna back from Russia after being stuck due Ukraine war. The Russian origin INS Sindhuratna diesel-electric submarines have successfully returned to Mumbai after undergoing a protracted major refit in Russia. The submarine underwent a comprehensive upgrade at the naval dockyard in Russia and subsequently embarked on a challenging 97-day return journey through the Norwegian Sea, English Channel and the Mediterranean Sea before reaching Mumbai on May 16th. Next, India supplied rupees 421 crore in arms raw materials to Myanmar military since 2021 coup, as per the UN report. India has reportedly provided arms worth rupees 421 crore to the Myanmar military, a move that has drawn criticism from the United Nations, which refers to it as the death trade. This revelation highlights the concern raised by international bodies regarding the role of arms trade in perpetuating conflict and human rights abuses. Next, China using social media to change border narrative in India. According to a recent report, China has been strategically utilizing social media platforms to exert its influence and shape the narrative in India. The findings highlights a systematic and active engagement by China in spreading its propaganda and controlling public opinion through various online channels. Next, PLAAF beefs up fighters and bombers on Tibetan Plateau across Indian border. Amidst the ongoing border tension between India and China, there has been a significant buildup of Chinese military forces in Tibet, including the deployment of fighter jets and attack helicopters, as reported by Times Now News. This development has raised concerns about the escalating military presence and its potential implications for regional stability. Next, ISRO likely to launch Chandrayaan 3 in second week of July. If things go as planned, the Indian Space Research Organization would launch its ambitious Chandrayaan 3 mission aimed at demonstrating critical technologies to land the spacecraft on the south pole of the moon in less than 2 months. Next, 40 engagements, over 24 world leaders, PM Modi's packed 3-nation tour. India on Thursday said it is expecting several deliverables to come out of the Quad summit in the Japanese city of Hiroshima that will be attended by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, US President Joe Biden and their counterparts from Japan and Australia. PM Modi will embark on a 6-day visit to Japan, Papua New Guinea and Australia on Friday to attend 3 key multilateral summits, including that of the Group of Seven, that is G7, and the Quad. Next, ADGP Jammu stresses on conducting anti-drone activities along IB. The Additional Director General of Police Jammu Zone, Mukesh Singh, stressed on the need to conduct regular anti-tunneling exercise and anti-drone activities along the international border to thwart the nefarious designs of anti-national elements. Next, Indian Air Force sends 24,000 kilograms of relief material for Sudan. As the efforts for providing assistance to Sudan continue, Indian Air Force sent 24,000 kilograms of relief materials for the war-torn country. The Indian Air Force also said they might bring back approximately 150 stranded Indians. Thank you.